Hello, good afternoon. I'm Susan, and just come back to this channel to talk to my viewers. Today it's about a little bit of shopping places that I'll be going. Hopefully, be able to go places and see what I can buy today. If I am happy with whatever I can want to buy. But first of all, I'll have to cross the road because this car wants to cross. So sorry. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I'm crossing the road. Yeah, so okay. It's just a very small place. We call it Sheerness. Yeah. Just have to cross the road again. Just crossing the road. It's a bit noisy. Just go into this shop just very quickly and see if there's something I can buy. Have a look at things. And I can't find anything that I like, so I'll just shout. I'll just get out and today it's not very busy because everybody is maybe people are working. Cross the road again. We've got this, what do you call it? We call the tower. I don't know. It's called. See, let me sit down. It's called the tower. You can see it very soon. It's going to ring. It's going to show the bell ringing, and there it is. It started to ring. You can hear it. It's ringing at the hour. Had 2 strikes. That's all what it did. Yes, that's exactly what it did. So let me go again and then this corner, show you some other places as well. Okay, property that are being sold. It's just a narrow street down this side. That's where they do the nails. It's open. They do the nails, but I am not going in today there to do my nails. So I'm just showing this part of the town. Crossing the road. I'm just crossing. There's a church here. Crossing. It's an old church here. It's the old church. This is the way the church is in olden times. There was activity. People would come and hold church. But nowadays it's quite, people don't come to church this side. They're not too much. They're not churchy goers here. And there's an old one. I don't know which dated what years. Must be very old. You can see from the door. The inside they've locked it so no one can enter inside and see what's happening. It's got a nice garden. Okay, there it is on the wall. What does it say? It says, sorry, something to do with. This is like the reading on this wall, so this is it, the way it is. $17.99. Wow. So this church is as old as that. It was in the 1799 September. Brother John something Staples. Dole. Born 1st September 1799. I think they're the first ones that started like being the first one to hold church here, so that it was in operational at that time. Yeah, it's a very old church. So they just hold it for normal church. I think will come on a normal day to have the church operational, which is good. So it's quite a big piece of building. It's okay. It's very impressive, I would say. I don't know what the building is all about. There's another attachment of another building. Okay, that's just something different. So that's the road. Yeah, so it's just showing you a little bit of this. A very interesting place. It's nice. Nice little garden. And then of course there's shops across, and it's a hotel here, Royal Hotel. I don't know, it must be a very old hotel. It's called Royal Hotel, right at the corner. And then that is called Conservative Club, and the years are 1897. Wow, these are the first clubs that were here during those years. 1987 Conservative Club. Wow. It's most beautiful club. Anyway, that's all I got to say today. At this junction time. And maybe I'll just follow up with another video. So I'm very thankful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. This one was just a quick one. It is going down. Thank you. Bye-bye.